Welcome to my channel. In the past video, we saw about the introduction to Streamlit package. What is a Streamlit? How to install it? Then what are the some features of Streamlit? In this video, we will see them in action. Starting from installation and running a sample demo program and creating our own program with the help of Python. As I said in the previous video, to install the Streamlit package, we have to install Python. As I was already installed the Python software in the system, I am directly going to install the Streamlit package. So let me open the command prompt. Just type pip install Streamlit. It takes some time to install. Okay, after a few minutes of installation of various dependency files, now we are good to go to use Streamlit package in our program. Before writing our own program, let's try the built-in demo program. Just type Streamlit hello. This will take us to a demo program. To the browser, it will open a browser tab. Let's see. Okay, now we have a demo app. Here there are various demos are available. You can select animation demo, plotting demo, mapping demo, data frame demo. Let me go with the animation. So this is an animation with a little speed. We can change the detail level. If I decrease it, it will automatically adjust the animation accordingly. You can see there is the shape which is not so detailed. If I give the level of detail to 20, then there will be a more details available. You can able to see. Then separation, like that, like this, we can able to modify and see the result in the real time. This is a animation demo. Let's see another demo, plotting demo. So it's loading. Let's see, here's a plotting of a graph with random numbers. We can able to generate animated graphs, or we can able to show the code also in the web page. Let's see another demo, mapping demo. Let's see, it shows it's running, so it will take some time to download the programs and run the program and show the visualization. So here we can able to see the New York City. I think this is a New York City bike rental data. So we can navigate in the visualization also. We can zoom it also. We can zoom with a mouse, just like a Android. We can able to scroll up to move. You can able to navigate through the map. This is one kind of visualization where you can able to visualize a whole city with various mapping diagrams or mapping styles. Here you can able to enable or disable various features like a bike rentals. You can disable it, it will automatically disappears. Then you can able to remove the BART stop exist, then it will remove it. Outbound flow, it will remove it. Whichever the option you need, you can able to enable it or disable it. Just if condition is be used. So let's see the another demo, data frame demo. Let's see. So here's the data frame demo. This is a data frame. We can able to filter it with the various countries like Brazil, France, Germany. Once you select the filtering, it will automatically generate a graph. Of course, it will not automatically generate. We write the code. So for visualization purpose, it is very easy for users to select and filter the content. That's the main purpose of using Streamlit. So this is a 4 demo application they have given for Streamlit. So now we can go to the our program. We go. So this is our program. I have imported the Streamlit package with the help of import Streamlit as st, where I call the Streamlit method with the name st. So st is an object and I'm calling the method title. First we can try with various built-in functions. Later that we can use our own functions also. So let me run this. Let me go down. Let me off this. So okay, now we have the file. So here we have a first program.py, which is the file I shown in the Streamlit text editor. Let's run the file. Streamlit run, then the program name. It will open the browser and it will show the local URL, network URL if you are accessing with another system connected in the same network, then you can able to access this application. So let me go. So this is a program, right? Of course I commented this, so it will show as a text. So this is a title I have given. You can able to see, right? So this is the title. So these are the comments. Of course I can give this as a single line command, then you can not able to see those lines. I given as a multiple line command, so the text is there but it is not running. Okay, that's why the text is appearing here in the web app. So let's see one by one. So first we know how to give a title with the help of st.title function. Then we have to write or print something to the web app. So for that we can use st.write method. So let me save it. So once I saved it, there is a alert called source code change. You can able to see that. Let me zoom it. So you can able to see here. Once I click rerun, it will fetch the source code and modify the output. So the hello is printed. This is how you can able to write the strings or anything to the web application. So the next one is adding a text input box. For example, I'm getting a movie name from the user. For that I'm using a method called text underscore input. This will get the input from the user. Okay, if I give the default input, it will not ask for the user, it will automatically get the input and perform the next appropriate action. So let me get the input and let me print the movie name with enter the movie title is something like that. So movie name. Let me save it. Let me go it and I rerun the program. Okay, it's asked for the title. Let me give a John Wick and I press enter. Then the result got changed. You see, John Wick is added to the result. This is how you can able to add a text box or text entry to the Streamlit web application. So the next one is, okay, let's now see how to add a drop down select box. So the function is very simple. Just st.select box. then a bracket. Then we can ask any questions like which number do you like, or any questions. Then after the comma we have given a tuple. In the tuple we can give an options like 1, 2, 3, or any options, any number of options we can give. Then I am printing the result like we have selected this number, like that. So I am saving the file. Let's go to the program. I'm rerunning it. So this is how we can able to add a drop down list box in the Streamlit. So once I click 3, it is get updated with 3. Once I click 1, it will automatically convert to 1. That's it. This is how we can able to add drop down select box. The next one is how to add buttons. Buttons are very important, where you can invoke an operation or a function with help of buttons. So just using a if condition, and I'm passing the button. So st.button, this will return true or false value. With whether the button is true, it will trigger the action, otherwise it will not trigger the action. So simple if conditions. I'm saying say hello, that is a button name. It will display on the button. So let me save the program. Let me go down and rerun the program, entire program. So here, this is a button. Say hello means it will say something like that. Hi, hello there, something like that. You can able to change the functions or anything with the help of Python programming. The next one is adding your radio buttons. So radio buttons, checkbox, anything you can able to add in the Streamlit. For radio buttons, just write st.radio, then the question, then the tuple with some options, where you can able to change whatever the condition you want. Like here I'm giving a, if the genre is comedy, then write you have selected comedy, else you didn't select comedy. Like that you can give any operations or functions like that. So let me run this file. So rerun. Here we have a radio buttons. Like you didn't select the comedy documentary, like that. Once I click comedy, you selected comedy. There are various types of widgets are available in Streamlit. You can able to access them with the help of Python programming. We will see the widgets, and we try to build an app with the help of Streamlit for various applications like NLP, or you can able to create a drawing application in Streamlit. We will see them in the later videos. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.